here in Colorado. We all know and love the Butterfly Pavilion, but how much do you know about what goes on behind the scenes and the amazing research that's being done? There is just so much. And here to help me learn more about that is our friend Sharon. And Sharon, you have some trivia for me. I'm actually kind of nervous. I don't think I'm going to do well, so let's go for it.
Let's test your invertebrate knowledge.
Okay, let's go for it.
All right, so invertebrates are quite important and diverse.
Okay.
I'll have you guess what percentage of animals on Earth are invertebrates.
Oh, okay, I'm going to guess 30%?
Oh, it's way higher.
Really?
Almost 3 times higher. So around 97% of all animal life on Earth is invertebrate. That means it's animals without a backbone, ranging from octopuses to butterflies to beetles and everything in between.
Amazing. Okay, what else you got for me?
All right, so pollinators are specialized animals that can help plants reproduce by taking pollen from one plant to the other.
Okay.
Which of these animals is not a pollinator?
Ooh, okay.
We have wasps,
Okay.
we have bees, we have flies, and we have spiders.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna say spiders?
Spiders is actually correct.
Oh, wow.
While spiders may hang out on flowers, they don't have specialized body parts to help plants reproduce.
Amazing. Oh my gosh, that is so incredible. Well, there's so much to learn here when we come out to Butterfly Pavilion. So Sharon, I have to ask, first of all, just tell us about Butterfly Pavilion in general. We have so many new people moving to Colorado. What makes this place so special?
Yes, well, we have recreated the entire rainforest here in the middle of Colorado, so people can come through and take a tour around the world with our butterflies.
Amazing.
So I'll have you guess how many different kinds of butterflies we have here in our Wings of the Tropics Conservatory.
Oh my gosh, different kinds. I don't know, like 30?
Much higher was more.
Really?
So in a day, you could spot 80 to 100 different kinds of butterflies or butterfly species. And in a year, almost 200 species of butterflies visit our conservatory.
Oh my goodness, that is so incredible. And you can see all of them flying around us right now, obviously. This is so impressive. So you talked to us about invertebrates just a minute ago. Tell us why they're so important for us.
Invertebrates actually provide services that are invaluable to us humans, from producing the food that we love to eat, and not just the bulk of our food, but also the most delicious of it, including chocolate and coffee. They're all direct products of the work of invertebrates.
Wow.
But beyond that, they also maintain healthy soils by cycling nutrients to them. They control ecosystems by being sometimes tough predators in their little niche.
Yeah.
And they essentially maintain forests and rivers and riparian spaces all around us. So they are crucial for survival as we know it on the planet.
That is so incredible that something that you think of being so small, right, makes such a huge impact on our world as it is, which is so cool. And that's, I'm sure, why you guys focus so much on the research, the conservation, the breeding here at Butterfly Pavilion. Tell me a little bit about that and what you guys do to make sure that, you know, we can continue life as we know it on Earth here.
Yeah, so our survival and their survival is so intrinsically linked, which is why spaces like Butterfly Pavilion exist.
Yeah.
Butterfly Pavilion is one of the few spaces around the world dedicated to conserving and understanding invertebrates better. So we have a variety of research programs, not just here in Colorado, but also around the world, ranging from spaces, Turks and Caicos, Mongolia, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, because conserving invertebrates worldwide is a great way to ensure a future for really everyone and every system that we know and love today.
Amazing. Oh my gosh. Well, Sharon, I can tell you're passionate about this. This is something that is so impressive that they're doing right here in our own backyard, you guys. And coming up, we're going to get to see some of that in action. So don't go anywhere. It's getting a little busy here. We're excited about it. But Claudia, I'll go ahead and send it back to you. Welcome back, everybody. We are here live at the Butterfly Pavilion, and we wanted to give you a little bit of a sneak peek of what goes on behind the scenes, because there is so much that happens here to conserve so many of the amazing animals and bugs that we have here, especially invertebrates. So, Sharon, thank you so much for having us back here. I want to start by telling people about an amazing program you guys have. You are bringing fireflies potentially back to Colorado. Tell me about this.
Yeah, so one of the hidden secrets of Colorado is there are actually fireflies around. Every summer they fly for about 2 weeks out of the year, and they grace Coloradans with their wonderful light, but so little is known about them. We're actually trying to understand even very basic things like their life cycle. So this is a very exciting year for us because we had our first batch of adult fireflies emerge under our care, which is really exciting. It took about 2 years for them to reach adulthood, so they can begin their flashing patterns. And we are now trying to really continue our understanding of them so we can support them in the wild.
Wow.
They face a lot of different pressures, especially the contamination of light. Because it affects their communication system, their very sophisticated communication system.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Well, it would be so incredible to be able to see them back here in the summer. So thank you for the work you guys are doing. I have to address the elephant in the room, or should I say the spider, because we are back here in the breeding area, which is so cool. So tell us about the tarantulas you are breeding here. We have some babies here right now.
Yeah, so in addition to the conservation breeding that we do with animals like fireflies, we of course love our spiders here at Butterfly Pavilion.
Yes.
So here are some of our juvenile tarantulas. These are actually babies, and you can see them here. How cute are these?
You know what? I didn't ever think that I would say that a spider is cute, but these guys are actually really cute. Look at their little furry
Yes,
legs.
they are quite adorable.
my gosh.
And we actually have hundreds of these babies right now. And again, with invertebrates, so much is unknown. It is one of those last frontiers in science. So a lot of the work that we do here to understand how to breed these animals and intervene in their conservation as needed is actually one of their last survival options.
Wow.
And since they are so important, as we have talked about, they do so many important services for us, including keeping our controlling pests, keeping our healthy soils, and even feeding the animals that we love to see, like birds and bears. They are the backbone of our ecosystem, of our world.
Without a backbone, which
Without
is
a
so
backbone.
crazy. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Well, I want to quickly give a shout out to Rosie. Everybody knows Rosie here at the Butterfly Pavilion. It was her birthday, so happy belated birthday to Rosie. We have this cute little photo of her. Now, I want to talk to you quickly, Sharon, before we let you go, about the baby Rosies that you have here, because we have one out for us right now. You guys have to take a look. Check this guy out.
This is one of our juvenile Rosies, which we can check out in honor of Rosie's recent birthday.
Yes.
So Butterfly Pavilion has been a part of the Colorado community for over 20 years.
Wow.
We are the first zoo accredited by the Association of Zoos and Aquariums that is a standalone focused on invertebrates and a nonprofit. So the work that we do here is quite unique as we go in the world.
Wow. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Wow.
Yeah.
So
you can really
active.
see their pink color when they're young.
Yes.
She is quite adorable.
She's trying to get out. Oh my gosh, amazing. Well, Sharon, thank you so much for educating us about the incredible work that you guys do here and how important invertebrates are to our world. It is so awesome to be able to be here and see everything that you guys do. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you for getting the message out. We always love to share it. And if you feel inspired and if you think that baby tarantulas are adorable and you'd like to work to support them, come visit us at Butterfly Pavilion to learn more, not just about our wonderful invertebrates, but also our research and conservation here and around the world.
Yes.
And you can even join us in some of our programs. You can be a community scientist with us and report butterflies around the states. And you can join us in Rainforest Yoga in the Butterfly Conservatory. So come check us out, be a part of our conservation.
Amazing. Sharon, thank you so much. And Claudia, I'm going to send it back to you. We have so much that we can do here. But again, you guys, don't forget to learn more about the wonderful work being done at Butterfly Pavilion, and to learn more about invertebrates, just go online, all of that, to learn more and to be able to be a part of everything they do here. That's butterfly.org.